Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to make your business stand out with a modern, professional company profile, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a stunning company profile using Canva, no design experience needed. By the end of this video, you'll have a polished profile ready to share with clients, partners, or investors. So let's jump right in and get started. First up, let's head over to Canva. If you've never used Canva before, don't worry, it's incredibly user-friendly and you can use it for free with just an email sign-up. So just open your browser and type canva.com in the address bar. Once you're there, log in with your account or quickly make one if you haven't already. Starting your project in the right workspace just makes everything easier down the line. Next, look for the Create a Design button. It's usually at the top right of your Canva dashboard. Give that a click. You'll see a ton of different design options pop up, but for this project, we want a layout that works beautifully for company overviews. That's why you'll select Website as the format. Now, I know you might be wondering, why website for a company profile? Choosing the website format gives you a sleek, scrolling presentation that feels modern. Plus, it's super easy to share, whether it's a digital link or as a PDF. It just looks professional from the get-go. Now, in the search bar that appears after choosing the website format, type in Company Profile. Canva will now show you a range of ready-made templates designed specifically for businesses just like yours. Take a moment to scroll through and see which layouts call out to you. You'll notice templates tailored for startups, agencies, or even creative studios, each with its own style. When you choose a template that matches your business's vibe, maybe something clean and corporate, or maybe a bit more bold and creative, you're setting the tone right from the start. Once you've picked a template, it's time to make it your own. Click on the template and it'll open up in the Canva editor. Now, this is where the magic happens. Replace all the example text with your actual company information, things like your business name, your mission statement, and a bit about what you do. Update any images too. You can upload your own logo and even photos of your team, your products, or your office. Don't forget the little touches, like adding your brand's colors, switching out fonts to match your style, or rearranging sections to emphasize what makes your company unique. Remember, this is your company's story. You want to make it personal and engaging. And if you get stuck, it's totally fine. Play around with the features. Canva Auto saves your work so you won't lose progress. After you're happy with how everything looks and take your time here, really make sure every detail feels right, it's time to save and share. Look for the Share button up on the top right corner. From here, you can either share the profile as a live website, which is great if you want to send a link directly to someone, or you can download it as a PDF or an image file to print or attach to emails. It's super flexible depending on how you want to use your profile. And that's it. You've just created a professional company profile in Canva, ready to impress anyone you show it to. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want more tips, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.